Did you know what date the world celebrates World Coffee Day? Turns out most Hungarians didn't. That's why in 2015, for the first time in Hungary, we celebrated World Coffee Day by setting an unusual challenge: a day without yawning. It was hard, namely because in 1990, scientists discovered a brain cell called the mirror neuron, responsible for a very interesting human behavior. Yawning is contagious. We created an online video campaign integrated with Nescafe's Facebook site. In the teaser videos, we inspired coffee lovers to join our Facebook event and challenged them to a live face-to-face yawn-off with Ferenc, award-winning actor on one of the busiest streets of Budapest. The videos reached more than 350,000 people throughout the campaign. To keep the rest of the internet awake on that day, we broadcasted the battle real-time and ran a prize game where they could win the emblematic red Nescafe mug. From 2015, we'd like everyone to think of Nescafe on World Coffee Day.